Alright y'all, so I keep saying I'm gonna be the test dummy for some of these products right here. This is getting ready to be a basic license plate frame kit. You can order these in a couple of different ways, making them change different colors, blue, red, green, signal. This is just supposed to be the standard kind that I was supposed to be getting. It's supposed to connect in minutes. I'll look right here for everything that it contains. Exclusive glare guard cover for subdued lighting effect, neon license plate frame, 12-volt converter that I don't see anywhere in this packaging right here so far. So I mean, it's not much of a big package, but it's no 12-volt converter that came in this box. So flip this back over the front, and it just says hardware and all the instructions. So $5.99. I'm an 80s baby, so I love LEDs on everything. Let's get ready to flip this over real quick. So again, real quick, right now we're back in the back of this. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be the instructions that it says it comes with. Disconnect battery for car before wiring. Each A part connects 2 wires. It does nothing with positive and negative. I'm gonna read that again. Each A part connects 2 wires. It does nothing with positive and negative. I'm a dummy. I have no clue what that means right there. Please fix the transformer with 2-side adhesive or screw. If there's a transformer in here. Please connect the black wires on the transformer with negative earth antenna. Please connect the car battery. Please turn on switch to test neon license frame. In order to avoid car accident, please disconnect car battery before wiring. Please do not turn on the light before starting engine. This product is used for 12-volt car, not for 24-volt. Please examine the installation state at any time. In order to avoid any damage happened on this product, who spelled these things? Please disconnect the frame before washing the car with with powerful water. Anyway, just to be pretty basic and blunt about this product, it seems pretty cheap. I'm not gonna lie to you, for $5.99, it seems like it's worth $2.99. But I'm still going to leave the link in the description below. We're getting ready to go outside and slap this on and see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure this is not using any kind of neon gas lighting, even though it says it is on the back. I'm almost positive this is all LED. So let's go outside. So we got a couple projects going on out here today. This is getting ready to be a simple one. Just getting ready to pull off this little beat up license plate cover right here and go on ahead and throw that license plate cover right there. Alright, so I know y'all remember me saying down there earlier that this didn't actually have the transformer, the piece that was supposed to come through with it to help the LEDs light up properly, because sometimes when you're dealing with LEDs, if you connect them to your straight power sources in your car, you're going to have a flashing effect. You're going to have a weird little thing that's going on with your lights sometimes if you don't have the actual converter to convert that power properly going into those LED lights. Being that everything in here is 12 volts, it should work fine. I'm going to connect it with the LED transformer that's actually running off of my headlights. So what we wind up having to do was it had 4 wires that came out the back over here. As I was toying with it, I realized I had to connect 2 of them as a ground and 2 of them as a positive in order to get it to work. So we're going to go ahead and mount that up real quick, see what she looks like, and we're going to go from there. What we we should have did was gone ahead and wash this license plate off real quick, but we'll be alright. Another thing I'm going to point in is that the screws that they give you don't even actually fully sink in. They're going to stop right here at the plastic. So if I torque those in too much more, I'm going to wind up cracking the plastic. So the screws, don't over torque these screws. Alright. Okay, so here we go. We got her all hooked up, wired up, ready to go. I'm getting ready to hop in here, turn around real quick just so you can see what she looks like. $5.99. If you're an 80s babies like me, this is probably one of the cheapest upgrades you can do to your car real quick. Let's go flash her on. Alright, so there we go. I had to turn the headlights off real quick just so we can actually see a little bit of the effect that we got going on. $5.99. If you're an 80s baby like me again, you're not going to get nothing cheaper than that right there. I'm noticing a little bit of flash on my camera, but there's no actual flash going on with the actual license plate cover. Now I can't guarantee it's still going to be only $5.99 by the time you look at this video, but right now it's probably one of the best bets you can get. You can get them in green, red, blue. You can actually hook them up to cycle with your turn signals for each side, but I'm just going to keep it pretty standard like that. It is what it is.